Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a warm weather shirt for 9-inch dolls like Mattel's Stacie, the MGA Bratz dolls, and others. There's a big list of dolls that fit in this particular pattern on my website. So with that said, before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces you see here. Lay one of the backs on top of another back, keeping right sides together. So as you see in this video, I have my polka dots touching each other. Do this for both backs. Sew around the underarm and the back closure areas, including the bottom. Carefully clip these seams, like you see me doing in this video. Invert the backs. Now I find it helpful to use a chopstick when I'm inverting because they're so tiny. Once inverted, you want to press and then lay one of your fronts on top of the other shirt front, just like you see me doing here. Again, keep those right sides together. Sew along the collar and each of the underarm areas. Clip these seams, invert the front, and press your seams. Set one of the backs on top of the shirt front. Sew the straps together. Set the other back against the shirt front and sew these straps together as well. Open the garment up like this. Press those shoulder seams open. Sew from the underarm down the side of your shirt, but you want to stop sewing before you get to the very, very bottom, that closed seam. And stop, I would say, 1.5 centimeters from the raw edge of the front piece. Do this for both sides of the shirt. Fold the raw edges of the front inside themselves. So that's going to look kind of like a closed mouth when you get those folded inside. And then you're going to whip stitch that front part, that seam, shut. You still need to finish those side seams. So you can see me doing that here. Finish the side seams on both sides of your shirt. Turn the garment right sides out, just like you see me doing here. It's so tiny. Such a cute little shirt. Add some snaps down the back, and now you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.